So in this box, we're gonna reveal something that I got for my birthday present. But that's my boy right there, my little girl. Y'all say hi.
Hi!
Nana, say hi. No, not having it. So we're gonna turn the camera around. Open the box. We're gonna see what's inside the box.
Okay.
Hold on, Lena. Hold on. All right. We're gonna open it up. What's inside the box?
I don't know.
We're gonna look. What does it look like to you?
Salmon?
I don't know what it is. Let's open up the instructions. No way. I thought I can't decide on the box. No, nothing. No picture here.
Ooh.
Well,
Let's open it.
we're gonna take it to the living room and we're gonna blow it up. Bear with me. Take it out of the box.
So we can see if it's a blow up.
Where is the deal?
I don't know what this is.
We're gonna put it right here.
Oh, that is a sandworm.
ViD. We're gonna blow it up.
Great.
I gotta get a connection here.
Mommy, it's a sandworm.
I'll just edit it. Okay. Oh, dang, it came off. So we're gonna plug it in here, and we're gonna see what it is. I think my son knows what it is. Lena, what is it?
Yeah, is this sandworm?
Oh my gosh!
It's a big giant sandworm. Oh, Daddy, it's a sandworm. It's a sandworm. It's a big giant sandworm. Daddy, it's a big giant sandworm.
Oh my gosh!
It's a big giant sandworm. Daddy, it's a sandworm.
Oh, Lena! Ooh!
This is a big sandworm. It's a sandworm,
Look.
Daddy.
Come here.
I
got you.
Wow.
Fits in the whole house. Oh,
It's a sandworm.
it's okay.
It's not real.
It's not real, Lena.
I am not scared.
Wow.
It's a big giant sandworm. It's a big giant sandworm.
All right.
Daddy,
We're gonna get a better look at this deal.
we can put this
My son is
outside.
thrilled. I can't get it all in here. But let me kick the box out of the way. And the tongue rotates. It's 9.5 foot tall. And my daughter's scared of it. We're gonna put it up outside tomorrow, but I wanted to show y'all how big it is in my house. My son is just thrilled. But we're gonna take it outside tomorrow when I get home from work.